Hello boys and girls, welcome back to Kidzone. Today I will tell you a story that talks about a blind man that learns to lead. This man, he has changed a name. Do you have any changed name before? I don't think so because your names are given by your parents. And this man, he has a changed name because his life was changed. So let us go into the story. So, this man is named Saul. Saul doesn't like Christians at all. None of the Christians he liked. So one day he heard, oh, there's a lot of Christians in Damascus. I should go. I want to capture all of them and put them into the prison. So he is not really a good guy, isn't it? It's very scary. He wants to capture all the Christians. So he went traveling down to Damascus because what he wants to do, he wants to capture all of the Christians and put them into prison. But suddenly, there's a light shine. Oh no, a light shine from above. That bright light blinded him. He cannot see at all. So when he was blinded, he fell onto his knees and doesn't know what to do. And suddenly, there's a loud voice coming from the sky, up in the sky. It says that, Saul, Saul, why are you hurting me? So Saul asked, who are you, Lord? What do you want me to do? The hidden voice said once again, I am Jesus, the one you are trying to hurt. Get up and go into the city now. Someone there will tell you what to do. So Saul could not see at all. So he got the other friends that who was traveling with him to help him to go to the city. And for 3 days he was blinded and he does not want to eat, does not want to drink at all. Then finally he heard a knock on the door. A man named Ananias came in and told that Jesus had talked to him. The same voice, is it? He was thinking. At first, Ananias doesn't want to talk to Saul at all because Ananias knew that Saul isn't a good guy. He's a bad guy. But because Jesus had told Ananias to come and talk to Saul, saying that he wants to heal him. So Ananias was very obedient to what Jesus wants him to do. So next what happened was Ananias put his hands on Saul's eyes and then he healed Saul. So throughout the 3 days when Saul was blinded, Jesus was able to change his heart. After he was healed and everything, he was baptized immediately because he had saw the miracles that Jesus could do for him. Soon, he began to preach to many people about Jesus, the goodness of God. And everyone was surprised. Oh, Saul preaching about God? What happened? They must be very, very shocked. So kids, God can lead you to help other people as well. Just like how God has led Saul to many people to allow other people to know more about God. So let us be a willing kid that we will be able to help God to reach out to more people. So now let us go to our arts and craft. From Saul to Paul craft, you get your parents to download the paper. This is like this, a printable from the link below. And then you can print it out, color, and then you just need to cut at the face area. There's 2 lines, follow it, and cut the eyes out. And then you can make Saul to Paul.
So remember the story for one day? He became blind. He became blind for 3 days. And then Ananias helped him to see once again.